mind chilling testimony. Straight from the gates of life, it's the one and the only. Homes for the heavy-hearted, rejected and neglected. Solomonic lineage, poetical, well over the heads and shoulders of the artificial. Urban rhetoric, yo, direct and official. I and I attribute absolute, nothing but the truth for the youth with a positive rhymage. Soldier salute when we walk the route. Keep your treasure stored in a secret place. Be still and chill, move with the donkey pace upon the pilgrimage. Advance with progress and bless on the quest. Overcome the scrimmage and the stress. Don't follow the fashion, the image. 1, 2, and don't take nothing less.
You may have money, you may have beauty, you may have a family, but have you got what you need? The road of life may be hard to face, distant, free from the past, but when we got to scatter like stars, we get what we need.
Something else we want you to say. Now we got something else we want you to say. Now we got something else we want you to say. Now we got something else we want you to say.